here? Come on, we're not stopping tonight. We're not stopping. O di ba, mga bata, itabang sila pinag-arrange ka na. Here we go. Showering pesos right here. We also accept Australian dollar, right? Keep those glasses coming. Then we got some more. Then we got some more. Everybody, one. There we go. Then we got some more. I'll give you 10 seconds extension. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Kaya naman ang mga kinasal nila ng wata lang ginagawa. Pundawa ko din silang titulo sa Utah, house and lot. Dahil mo naman sila, ganahan sila mag-honeymoon sa Japan. Kasi dahil naman itong ticket. Pundawa ko na sila. But nonetheless, we got plenty of blessing coming in right here for the Duluan. Isang malakas at palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. We're saying, Nato, and Elsa. Can we ask the best dancer